Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen giving your favorite recipes and ideas. Anyway, I want to make you a fantastic weekend chicken soup with a lot of pumpkin and vegetables and dumpling and all these things. Alright guys, I must say to you, I'm already make my dumpling. This is it right here. So the link will be in the description box how to make the dough. So please click on the link and then you can see how I make it. Alright. So first of all, I'm gonna show you exactly what to do in the kitchen when you're making Jamaican chicken soup with Chef Ricardo for the weekend. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere. One love. Basically, I wanna simply say to you that, you know what I mean, making a real Jamaican chicken soup on a very easy way and a very simple way. This is how Chef Ricardo will show some of my fans them who are really interested to make chicken soup at home. Alright. So right over here, as you can see, I have a medium-sized pot on the stove with about half pots of water, and I have 2 pieces of chicken breast, chicken thigh, leg and thigh, which I just cut up. What I'm going to do is pop it straight inside of the water like that. I remove the skin, take away some of the fat and all these things, as you can see right there in the water. Second thing, I have some pumpkin, which I'm going to be cutting up. Alright. Everyone know that if you're making chicken soup, you have to use pumpkin. It's a must. Yeah, I'm gonna put some pumpkin there like this. Pumpkin is a must. And all of my vegetables, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put everything together and make everything boil up and just bring in a nice level of flavor to the chicken soup. So everyone, if you're making chicken soup, this is a must. All of these ingredients and things which I've been using, you have to do this to make a lovely chicken soup. And all I do, I'm cutting the pumpkin a little bit chunky, because when the pumpkin them start to boil, you know, they will also mash out inside of it. Second thing, I got a white onion which I'm going to be cutting up. Nice of a white onion to put inside of it. Just like that. Second thing, I had a medium-sized carrot, and I remove the skin. I make sure I prep all of my ingredients before I do anything. Alright. Not only that, I must say, to be honest, things looking really good so far. I got a medium-sized potato, which I remove the skin. I make sure I prep it before I do anything. And I'm gonna cut this chunky also. I'm gonna put that straight inside of the water. Straight inside of the liquid, alright? I got green banana, remove the skin from the green banana. Chunky. So I got a ripe plantain. This is a ripe plantain, yellow one, alright? Remove the skin. If you want, you can put breadfruit and all these things in it, breadfruit and yam and all these things, but I didn't have any. Chocho is a must in a soup. Chunky, I'm just putting it straight inside of it like that. Yeah, so as you can see exactly what I'm going right here. This is a chicken soup I'm gonna make. So basically it's just gonna be boiling down. We got some spring onion. Easy chicken soup. Straight inside of the water. We got some fresh thyme. I'm gonna put that in straight inside of it. We have 2 whole garlic. I'm gonna put that straight inside of it. Just crush it. Put that straight inside of it, just like that. Alright? See that? Look at that. Chicken soup is all about liquid. Alright? I must say to you, I have a little bit of all-purpose season. A little bit of all-purpose season in it. And also a little bit of chicken season. Nice one. Little bit of pepper. And that bring in the flavor to the soup. Give it a lovely stir. Smell the soup nice already. This is some Jamaican dumpling which I made earlier. I will put the link in the description box how to make my Caribbean dumpling. If you notice, please flip it. This is how they all look. Nice and lovely. So all I'm going to do, make some spinach. Not the big one, them, some small one like this for the soup. You know? Very easy and simple. If you make chicken soup, if dumpling in the night, honestly, now go nice. You have to put some dumpling in the night. Doesn't matter what kind of dumpling. Once it's dumpling, yeah, you're good to go. See that? Yeah, that's some dumpling like this one tonight. Give it a lovely stir. That's looking good. Yeah, things looking nice. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as I can see, this is a soup right here. And I'm going to put this in it. It's a must. When I make soup, you have to put something like this. Jamaican. The pumpkin soup or the cock soup flavor one. Just mix up in it. Yeah. So what we're gonna do? Allow that to cook for roughly about 20 minutes on a medium-sized heat. It's amazing chicken soup from Chef Ricardo. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much for tuning into the show, guys. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, this is it right here. As you can see, boiling up. Alright. So I just want to boil it right down till you get that to that perfect, nice, lovely, little bit thick and food. Cook everything nice. So I'm just gonna make that cook for roughly one nice good 15 to 20 minutes. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as I can see, I just lower it on a medium-sized heat like this. But look at this. This is just fantastic and amazing dish, guys. Chicken soup for the weekend. So please enjoy the recipe and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm gonna put the Jamaican red scotch bonnet pepper on top. That's gonna bring in a lovely color. Yeah, that looking lovely and nice, as you can see. Thank you so much for watching, and I will give you a lot more recipe like this with a lot more ideas and things. As you can see, looking so lovely and nice. Yeah, this is exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about right here. Yeah, that looking so lovely and nice. Yeah. So this stove can turn off now. Yeah. Thank you so much for tuning into the show. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. Anyway, I must say to you guys that lovely chicken soup was amazing, done and dusted, and I want you guys to please leave a comment in the description box. Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. It's just amazing chicken soup from Chef Ricardo and the team today. We'll put vegetables and thing, and I know you will love this one. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time with more recipe with Chef Ricardo. Bye bye.